Hello students, in our previous class in English 2, we have already started chapter 5 Magnificent Mary, and half of the chapter I have already explained you, but before reading ahead, again we will go through what we have read in our previous class. So we have read Mary Kom was born on 1st March 1983 in Manipur. Her parents were poor farmers who worked hard on their fields. Her family belonged to the Kom tribe, a tribal community from the northeastern state of Manipur. She studied in Loktak Christian Model High School, Moirang. After schooling, she used to go to the fields and help her parents. She later joined Adim Jati High School, Imphal, for her higher schooling, but failed to clear her exams. Mary Kom, after she failed, did not want to reappear for the exams. She left her school. She then appeared for a private examination from the National Institute of Open Schooling, which is in Imphal. She completed her graduation from Churachandpur College. After her graduation, Mary at time helped her father in the fields and at time tended the animals. Mary used to play football and hockey when she was in school. She was very passionate about sports. Dinko Singh, a renowned boxer from Manipur, rose to fame in 2000. It was then Mary was inspired and she decided to become a boxer. She approached M. Narjit Singh, Manipur state boxing coach, and soon started training under him. Mary had to face a lot of obstacles and problems. Mary, being a girl, her father refused to support her. He did not want her to continue her training. He believed boxing was a sport played by men. Mary's friend and relatives also discouraged her from continuing her pursuits. However, she was adamant and refused to bow down to the demands of her father, relatives, and friends. She carried on and directed all her energies towards her training. She would often observe the other players participating and learned from them. Her efforts paid off when she emerged winner in the State Women's Boxing Championship held in Manipur. She also went ahead to win the regional championship in West Bengal in 2000. Now we will read ahead. Within a year of her win, Mary decided to compete at an international level in 2001. Mary made her international boxing debut when she was just 18 years old by participating in International Boxing Association Amateur AIBA Women's World Boxing Championship in the USA. She competed in the 48 kg weight category and bagged a silver medal. Success came pouring as Mary won accolades after accolades at various tournaments. Accolades means praise or an award for an achievement that people admire. Tournaments including Asian Women's Boxing Championship. In 2005, Mary married Onler, her friend. Her passion for boxing took a beating after Mary's marriage. However, with some support and encouragement from her husband, Mary was back in the boxing ring. Mary married Onler, her friend, in 2005. Her passion for boxing took a beating after her marriage. However, with support and encouragement from her husband, Mary was back in the boxing ring. Mary started her training again. She had to work really hard on training her body and increasing her stamina and strength. To add to that, Mary had a family to care for. However, Mary was determined. Unfortunately for her, there were almost no opportunities. Everyone predicted that Mary's career had come to an end. Tables turned, and in 2008, Mary put all rumors to rest. She surprised the skeptics by bagging a silver medal at the Asian Games. Mary went ahead to bag the gold at China's AIBA Women's World Boxing Championship. Mary started her training again. She had to work hard on training her body. Mary also had a family to care for. However, she was determined. Unfortunately for her, there was no opportunities, but the tables turned in 2008 and she put all the rumors to rest. She surprised everyone and bagged the silver medal at the Asian Games. She also went ahead to bag the gold at China's AIBA Women's World Boxing Championship. However, it was her win at the London Olympics 2012 that earned her the much deserved respect. She won a bronze medal at the Olympics. She was the first Indian woman boxer to win a medal at the Olympics. So Mary's best achievement was her win at the London Olympics in 2012. She won a bronze medal at the Olympics. It made our country proud as she was the first Indian woman boxer to win a medal at the Olympics. Now, Mary is the mother of 3 sons and handles all her responsibilities well. Just as she achieved her goal, Mary often goes out of her way to help other aspiring women boxers from her state. Her academy in Manipur teaches self-defense to people. Today, everyone accepts Mary's gaming prowess. Prowess means great skill at doing something. Mary is the mother of 3 sons and handle all her responsibilities well. Mary often goes out of her way to help other aspiring women boxers from her state. Her academy in Manipur teaches self-defense to people. Today, everyone accepts Mary's gaming skills. Mary's story is an inspiration for many aspiring boxers. A petite woman from Manipur, she has earned recognition for India in the field of boxing. She worked hard to bring home success, name and honor. She has in her what it takes to be a winner. We must take inspiration from her story and promise ourselves to keep going even when the going gets tough. So children, this was really a motivating story for each and every one of us. Mary Kom is a focused and determined woman. First, she had to face obstacles in her early life from her father, relatives, and friends due to her passion for boxing, but she refused to bow down to their demands and started her training. She surprised everyone by winning various tournaments. After her marriage, her career took to a beating, but the hard-working, passionate girl did not give up. She practiced with all her energy to increase her strength. This shows the dedication of Mary Kom. She made our country proud by her win at the Olympics. Now she handles the responsibilities of a mother as well as helps other aspiring women boxers from her state. Thus, she is a role model for many boxers and teaches us how to manage our responsibilities of a family as well as our career at the same time. Children, your homework is to write down the words to know from page number 61 in your English 2 copy and try to learn it. Thank you.